Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile here again with you for another unboxing, and this is Fluance Phono preamp, and as you can see, it's actually not an unboxing, it's an unbagging. I picked this up on Amazon. I think it was like 70 bucks. It was used, but it was supposed to be in light new condition. I did not know it didn't include the box, so that's kind of a bummer. But why is this not tearing? Ha! Just ripped it apart. Instruction manual. I like how Fluance does their instruction manuals. They do a good job. Get that out of the way. Let's see, here's a box. Man, a little bit crushed. This came in this bag inside of a shipment bag, so yeah, everything's a little bit crushed. Oh well, as long as it works. Here's your power adapter. Set that aside. Is there anything else? I don't know what that was for. And here is the unit itself. It does look like it was rebagged. Probably not its original bag. Yeah, it's just taped. As you've probably seen, I just unboxed the Emotiva preamp. So I'm going to do a little bit of a Phono preamp shootout here. And here's the Fluance. I believe this is metal. Yeah, it sounds like it. I like the look and the size of this one. This is more something I think that when one would display on their, equipment rack. It looks a little bit nicer than the Emotiva. It's not as busy on the top and the sides. I like it. Seems like a good unit. Now this one is supposed to have more of your RIAA curve, which is supposed to help with the sound of vinyl, make it sound more natural. I believe that the Emotiva, it has its own curve that they are achieving. This one is a RIAA. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try both of these and then see which one I like better. I may do a video on that. I'm not sure if I will do an individual review video for each of the Phono preamps that I just purchased. We'll have to see about that, but I definitely want to do a comparison video of them. So that's this one. Nothing else is included in the box, but that's pretty much what the Emotiva came with, was the preamp itself and a power supply. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.